So such a quick short intro recap of the day. Today is Thursday, the 18th of June 2026. Let me go to today's price action. I did two trades I ended up taking. They took one break even and one loss, but both very good trades. Still happy how I played today, even though I lost 1 grand. First loss with real money, but I think it's still a good trade. So yeah, let me go over today's price action. Coming into the day, okay, I had a pretty bullish bias. Not at open, but before open, we had so fucking good LRL just resting here, but we took it pre-market, unfortunately, okay? So for market open, I was building up scenarios. Ayo, we have an unfilled Auli gap right here that could get tagged. I mean, yeah, they could get tagged. And then at open, we just like, wait a minute, we opened and ES sort of manipulates up, giving us some decent tier these highs, and then we like got the first 5-minute candle right here, and it closed underneath all of these 5-minute gaps. I didn't saw it. I saw it once the candle closed. I thought, oh fuck, this is the fucking trade. We have an unfilled 30-minute below. We have, first of all, we have an unfilled 50-minute and an unfilled 30-minute below. We have a 1 hour internal low below. Nice targets. We took massive draws on liquidity, so this is a good time to rebalance price. So I took this right here, took this 5-minute short. I got filled right around, probably like right here or something. I got filled, yeah, right here. As you can see, I got filled right here. Somewhere around here. Yeah, so somewhere around here. I put my stop at this order block high and just TP'd at this. I didn't win break even once we mitigated the 30-minute. I just had no very much conviction, like the 30-second. And I don't know why I went break even on this trade. Why did I win break even? Why did I win break even? Because why did I win break even? 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 I don't know it anymore. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay, so I saw my recorded video and I went break even actually once we tapped this 30-minute. Okay, I went break even once we tapped the 30-minute because, and now I know why, because off of this level, I don't know where price is going. Price could go up, price could go down. I don't know from this level. So I just went break even there. Got stopped to break even. I said, okay, yo, fine, I'm fine with this. We still have both targets intact on ES and NQ. So I was looking forward to that, and yeah, then we had this kind of accumulation phase with which I fucking like to see. Then we had 945 open word, open high into this 500 BPR and into this 500 gap, also being in discount or premium of the range. Waited for some CISD play because we didn't have a 30-second, didn't have a 2-minute, didn't have a 3-minute, didn't have a maybe we had a 15-second, but I don't care about a 15-second. Took this 1-minute CISD play. Took this 1-minute CISD play. Placed my stop now right here. Place it right here. Reasoning for this is that we created this rejection block and tapped it. So I just have myself right here because we already retested this level, and if this level gets revisited again, this should just be also run up here, which it did in the end. Yeah, took this trade. Never went break even. We got crazy as the displacement. We never took that low on ES or NQ. We just pumped, created relative equal lows right here. Unfortunate. It's unfortunate, bro. There's nothing you can do. Sometimes this shit just happens. And then 10 a.m. just pretty much opens, and we still have this, and we are perfectly respecting this 30-minute. Only reason I see here to go break even is that ES creates a 50-minute unfold gap at 10 a.m. Okay. So I didn't recognize this shit. I thought, yeah, we're gonna save by the CIC or some shit. Never got saved. Got stopped right here. Brutal, 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 brutal. But I would still take this 10 out of 10 times. Like, we get this pretty clean AMD structure giving us a PO3 to open high, low, close, and it's just unfortunately opening up a 50-minute gap on ES that I didn't notice. Nothing you can do about it. I still think we can, like, still go lower from this level. But yeah. I'm not trading. I took my 2 trades for the day, took my 1L, and I'm just going off the charts, just being a patient trader, doing what it takes to be profitable. Probably just gonna eat something and go for a walk, and you just clean my mind up. So yeah, hope you traded good, hope you traded well, and yeah, bro, see ya on Monday, because Friday is a bank holiday. Okay. We have Friday being a bank holiday today, tomorrow, which is fucked, which is so fucking gay. Yesterday I didn't trade it because we had FOMC due to FOMC, and today I also risk on both trades. If you ask about my risk, I risk 1% on both trades. So here I bought I bought 6 minis with like this amount of risk. So like, I don't know, like it should be around about 1,000. I'm gonna calculate it real quick. 97 times 2 times 10. This can't be real. Wait a minute, did I actually risk 2,000? No way. No, I didn't. 2,200, so yeah, around 1,000, okay. Oh, I think because I have to press 97 times 2 times 6, right? Yeah, okay, that's right, that's right. So I had 1,000 stop on this, and then I bought, what did I bought here? I bought 8 minis for a stop loss of also 1,000. Unfortunately, it's not today. Let's just journal this shit because it's part of the game. DUL was bearish. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. I have to do this tomorrow or later that day. Volatile time narrative, yes. Trade 1, break even, trade 2, loss. I don't know how much I lost. Let me just yeah, cook this shit up. Leaked my email, but fuck this shit. We are still 600. P&L calendar is looking kind of gay, but yeah, we can still make this shit up. So yeah, I need to be careful because I only can risk 2k on the next trade and lose. It's like I have to maximum risk 1.5 or some shit to not be fucking liquidated or something. So yeah, loss like -1 R, also -1%. Or like actually 1.1, right? Yeah, kind of 1.1. I'm just doing it to 1.1. Rating first setup is definitely an A plus setup. I think there's nothing that like this break even trade was obvious. But yeah, no very good trade right there. I'm not gonna look at the fucking 500, bro. If this shit plays, I'm pissed of course because my DR's right and like took an L, but yeah, still very good setups. Second trade is still A or A plus. But this shit could have been break even. Could have been break even. Well, like if NQ would have opened up this 50-minute, like I looked at NQ and saw, yo, this shit is never gonna open up a 50-minute gap. So I just didn't recognize this in my break-even settings. So yeah, unfortunate I didn't did this. But yeah, this was my trading day. We're down. We are still up 600, but I gotta be careful. Minimum balance. Yeah, we'll see you on Monday, and yeah, have a great day, man.